PG Department of English, Cultural Studies and Foreign Languages at Khalsa College Patiala offers various courses for students. The first course, MA English. The students undertaking Masters in English at Khalsa College Patiala are trained to explore literature written in English from different perspectives with an aspiration to delve into literary and cultural theories. It is designed to enhance their critical thinking and creative potential and to orient them towards research. The requirements for this course are graduate with 50% in English literature or 50% in any stream. Duration 2 years. Career options: education, language and translation services, marketing and media positions, public relations and advertising and public sector undertaking, journalism, print and electronics, theatre, media and entertainment business, English language and literature researchers, career in varied areas like book publishing, online publishing, commercial magazine publishing. The department offers various optional subjects in BA. The first optional subject is English literature. English literature at Khalsa College Patiala offers the students a study of different genres in English, such as poetry, drama, fiction, and essays. It helps them improve English language skills and an understanding of English culture. Students are introduced to the literary history of English literature so that they explore a relationship between literature, society, and history. The requirements are elective subject in BA1, duration 6 semesters, eligibility 12th pass. Career options: media and journalism, teaching and academic careers, careers in advertising and public relations, careers in civil services, BPOs, etc. The second optional subject in BA is cultural studies. The students studying cultural studies at Khalsa College Patiala are introduced to the basics of culture as a concept. Through this, students are trained to look critically at the role of social institutions in the shaping of contemporary culture and to develop an understanding of cultural practices in relation to power. The requirements: elective subject in BA1, duration 6 semesters, eligibility 12th. Career options: arts and cultural institutions, government agencies and institutions, media organizations, non governmental organizations, NGOs, non profit agencies, museums, organizations that address cultural safety, diversity, and oppression, etc. The third optional subject in BA is Functional English. The subject at Khalsa College Patiala offers an opportunity to learn communication and language skills, focusing on British received pronunciation, grammatical structure, technical usage of English language. The program trains the students for jobs requiring excellent writing and speaking skills. The requirements are elective subject in BA, duration 6 semesters, eligibility 12 pass. Career options: bilingual translator, interpreter, technical writer, media industry, editor, script writer, etc. The department also offers French courses, French diploma courses offered by PG Department of English, Cultural Studies and Foreign Languages. The first course is 1 year intensive diploma in French. 1 year intensive diploma in French at Khalsa College aims to introduce French language to beginners. The focus is on building foundation skills in writing, reading, speaking French, and developing the intercultural competence of the learners. Requirements: duration 1 year, eligibility 12th pass with 50% or equivalent with CGPA 5 and above from any board. The next course, 1 year advanced diploma in French. 1 year advanced diploma in French at Khalsa College makes students ready for market job requiring language competency in French. Students can pursue masters in French after completing the course or can also apply for job requiring communication skills in French. Basics: advanced diploma, duration 1 year. Eligibility is 1 year intensive diploma in French. Career options: French jobs in MNCs, etc. French jobs in foreign embassies. Career opportunities as a translator and interpreter. Useful in travel, tourism, leisure, and hospitality industry. Career as a teacher, lecturer, and corporate trainer. Importance of French in import and export business. The department offers 3 months certificate courses. The first certificate course offered by the department is 3 months certificate course in spoken English. This certificate course is designed for students who wish to acquire better English speaking, writing, reading, and listening skills. It helps in developing effective public speaking skills so that students face formal and social meetings confidently. Requirements: duration 3 months, eligibility criteria: anyone who has passed 10th or 12th. Career options: English language trainer, content writer, careers requiring English language skills, jobs in corporate sector, creative writing, freelancer, etc. The second certificate course offered is 3 months certificate course in proficiency in translation. This course is designed to impart knowledge of various issues related to translation. Students acquire the skills to become professional translators and also acquire the competency associated with it. The program aims to make students understand the theory and practice of translation. Eligibility criteria: 12th pass, duration 3 months. Career options: career as translator, interpreter, editors, proof readers, and jobs in newspaper industry, etc. The third certificate course offered is 3 month certificate course in creative writing. This certificate course is designed to develop creative writing skills among the students through practical and technical understanding of the creative process. The aim is to inculcate creative and academic writing skills among the students to help them build their individual style and tone and to broaden their creative imagination. The requirements: 3 months, eligibility criteria, 12th pass. Career options: creative writer in magazines, author, publishing industry, etc.